Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're gonna have so much fun today. On today's video, guys, I'm gonna be making two beautiful candles using products from Dulceria Candle Supply. Yes! Okay, guys. They were so gracious in sending me these beautiful vessels, guys. These are the Serafina vessels. I'm gonna read to you all the information all about it. I'm gonna review these two beautiful fragrance oils that I'm gonna be using. This is the new rare formulated Cera de Oliva. So we're gonna be using this to make the candles. Yes, I'm so excited, guys. Okay, let me read to you a little bit about the company, Dulceria Candle Supply. Okay, now this is the owners are Vanessa and Victoria. Okay, they are from Florida. Okay, Dulceria Candle Supply began as a humble candle company in the spring of 2019 in St. Petersburg, Florida. As twin sisters, we always dreamed of owning a business together. So we started our journey like any other candle company, gathering all the basic supplies needed, and almost exactly on the date of the launch, word of the pandemic had begun to spread throughout the United States. Wow. It was a devastating circumstance, however, we pushed through. After the pandemic, supplies were scarce and purely born of necessity. We developed a prototype for a wooden candle lid. Till today, all of our custom products are crafted right here in our small city with our own two hands using locally sourced materials from other family-owned businesses. Since our launch of our custom lids, we have grown to other kind of supplies such as vessels, spray bottles, and soon to be other helpful products. We are also very proudly the moms of two adorable little boys. We love everything that we do and completely commit ourselves to every job that has been assigned to us. And when you use Dulceria Candle Supplies, you will see the difference. Yes! You know what, guys? You have to admire people like that. These two sisters in Florida, guys, they had a dream, they pushed through, and here they are, okay? So I'm gonna use the beautiful products, okay? So let me read to you about the vessels that I'm gonna be using. This is the shiny, it has several finishes, guys. This is the shiny gold Serafina 12-ounce candle vessel, okay? To you guys, it's beautiful, okay? Let's talk about the other one, the other vessel. This is the matte Raven Serafina 12-ounce candle vessel, okay? Okay, Cera de Oliva is a satiny smooth, firm white wax, has a very slight yellow tinge due to the olive oil. It's slightly yellow, let me show you. Container blend wax that is warranted to give you a clean burn with a superior hot throw every time. Made with a proprietary blend of organic olive oils. Okay, these are the products, okay guys? This is a single pour, shiny smooth surface, excellent fragrance threshold up to 8%, very important, only up to 8% fragrance oil. Excellent hot and cold throw, creamy white, slightly yellow color, great glass addition, okay? They recommend to preheat the vessel before pouring. Okay, the melt point is 125 degrees Fahrenheit, it's vegan. It has UV stabilizers to help maintain brightness of the candle dyes, okay, if you use candle dyes. Sustainable and renewable. Okay, contains a tiny amount of ultra refined food grade safe paraffin. Negligible amount is paraben free and non-toxic. Okay, and this is the directions on how to use. Heat the wax to 220 to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Add fragrance between 220 and 225. Then cool to 150 and then pour, okay? 0 time curing. And they recommend a CDN wick series, okay? Now, I have experience with this size of diameter, guys. I'm gonna be using a double CDN number 2 to start the testing, okay? Okay, the first fragrance oil that I'm gonna try is Sensual Suede and Pink Pepper. Experience a seductive and alluring scent with our Sensual Suede and Pink Pepper fragrance oil. A rich blend of suede and spicy pink pepper will transport you to a world of sensuality and warmth. This fragrance also features notes of spicy melon and sweet, adding a touch of freshness to the sultry scent. This oil is sure to captivate and sense and leave a lasting impression. The top note is suede, pink pepper. Wow. Okay, this is right up my alley. It's very sexy, very, I wouldn't say masculine. I think it's gender fluid. I think it has the peppercorn. It tingles in the back of my throat. It's very, very, very like energetic, guys. Okay, the middle note is tobacco. Woo! I love tobacco. And the bottom note, pineapple and melon. The freshness is like, I don't know. It's very energetic, very perfect for a party, perfect for a date night, perfect for, you can use it for a lot of occasions, guys. This is beautiful, okay? I truly like this one. The blend is very special. It smells very luxurious, very expensive, okay? Beautiful, yes, okay. Again, guys, up to 8% fragrance load. Okay, the next one is tobacco flower and raw honey. Oh my God, the peppercorn is beautiful on that one. And I'm not too keen on pink peppercorn, but in this instance, it's needed in there. Okay, tobacco flower and raw honey fragrance oil. Our tobacco and flower and raw honey fragrance oil is rich and complex scent that is perfect for those who love deep and warm fragrances like me. Okay, the fragrance oil features notes of tobacco flower and raw honey right up there. Okay, right up the opening note. I can smell it, guys, but it's so well blended, so beautiful, so sexy again, and so deep. The fragrance oil features the notes of tobacco flower and raw honey, which are complemented with hints of smooth bourbon and dry fruit. You see, it's very adult, very sophisticated, very like luxurious. Oh my God, I cannot wait to take a candle out of this one. The base notes of vanilla and thick wood add a luxurious and sophisticated touch to this fragrance, absolutely. This scent is perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in any room of your home. Absolutely, yes. Top note, tobacco flower and raw honey. Oh my God, the middle notes, ginger. Oh, the ginger is what's in the background. Bourbon and vanilla. And the bottom note is the thick wood and dry fruit. It's so different, guys. Oh my God, I'm gonna make these beautiful candles. Okay, guys, and I know that for this one here, for the tobacco flower and raw honey, I'm gonna use the yellow one. And for the other one, and for sensual sweet and pink pepper, I'm gonna use the black. Yes! Okay, guys, let me get set up and we're gonna start making the candle together. Yes! Okay, guys, before we do anything, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna be prepping the vessels, okay? I'm gonna be using alcohol and paper towels. I'm doing a close-up on what I'm doing because I think it's more important for you to see what I'm doing. So I wipe really well. And this is metallic, electroplated, so you're gonna see a lot of fingerprints, guys. So it's good that you also clean it in the outside. Double CDN number 2. I'm gonna be using this contraption for Northern Candle Supply. I'm gonna link it below. These are custom made for different vessels. So this was one made for my candle vessels. So it doesn't really fit that well, but it'll do. So just try to center it the best you can and just drop it and just press really well. And then you just need a wick holder. So I'm gonna use this one also, the one that I use for my vessel, but you can use anything that you have on hand. So I'm gonna do this one on screen. I'm gonna do the other one off screen, okay, guys? Okay, guys, we're back. So I have in here all the items that I'm gonna be needing for the candle, okay? Start having fun, okay? Now, this wax needs to be worked very hot, between 220 and 225, okay? We are supposed to, according to the manufacturers, supposed to blend the oil at 220 and 225, okay? I'm gonna stir it up, guys, I think around 2 minutes. And then I'm gonna let it cool down to 150 and then we pour into the beautiful vessels, okay? So let's see. Let's wait for the wax to come to temperature and I'll be right back. Yeah! Okay, so the battery just died when I was doing this, guys. Okay, so hot this is. Again, I'm gonna mix for about 2 minutes, guys. So I'm gonna mix until it goes down to 150, okay? So again, I pour the fragrance oil into the wax, into the melted wax at 223, okay? This side. In the meantime, I'm gonna put candle number 2 to get the wax going. Again, tobacco flower and raw honey. Yes! It doesn't need any cure time, guys, so I'm gonna be making an HT test at the end of the video, okay? Like I was saying before, guys, you know, it's good when we support small businesses, guys, because, you know, it could be you, it could be me, it could be anyone, you know, it's just, you don't wanna go into these big corporations, you know, like all the care is about the money. When you have a small business, you know, they care about the quality, you know, and that's what you get, you know? It's like my candles, you know, my candle line, candleromance.shop. My formulas are so special, you know, and so, like I said to you, very inspiring, very loving, very like, very unique, you know, and that's why you want to make your candle line, you know, you want to make it different from anybody else, you know, we should support each other. Okay, 167, I'm gonna leave this to the side. I'm gonna get this other beauty ready for me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wait for that to come to temperature and I'll be right back. Okay, let's see the other wax. Let's see how hot it is. Let me just take it up from the microwave. Let me just put this to the side. It's very important, guys, that it has to be very, very hot. Otherwise, the wax will not bind to this. Okay, now, like the manufacturer recommend that we warm up the vessel prior to pouring, okay? This is almost reaching 150, so I'm gonna warm this up with a heat gun. I'm gonna show you how I do that, but I'm just gonna wait for this to come to temperature because 220, perfection. Okay, I'm gonna pour the oil, and I'm gonna start mixing. Okay, I'm gonna mix this for a couple of minutes, but before I do that, let me just heat up the vessel. So I have in here, guys, a heat gun, and I'm gonna heat this up, okay? I'm gonna put it on low. I'm gonna heat it all the way around, especially now that it's winter time. It's very cold in here, so it's good that you do this so you don't get any like imperfections. Don't heat it up too much, otherwise your wick will come off. So just to make it like room temperature, that's what I'm gonna do, okay? It's very thick, beautiful. Slow and steady wins the race. Don't go too fast, don't go too slow, okay guys? Once you start pouring this, don't stop. Perfect. Okay, I'll say guys, I think 12 ounces that I did was too much, but here's can number one. Okay, let me just put this. So I'm gonna mix this until it goes to 150, guys, and then I'm gonna pour, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna warm up the vessel again. Again, you don't have to go too crazy, just to make room temperature because it's very cold. It's during the winter time. And guys, I just wanna let you know that I just got a clarification from Dulceria Candle Supply. I was asking them about the total fill that they mentioned on the website, but it's wrong. So the total fill for the candle in here, for these candles are 8.5 ounces, okay? 8.8. The total fill should be 8.5, okay? That's why it was so weird because I had the numbers right. So anyway, they corrected me. So anyway, so it's gonna be like around 8.5 ounces of wax and fragrance oil, okay, guys? So I'm gonna let this solidify, guys, and I'm gonna be conducting a hot throw test, guys, and I'll be right back. Yes! Okay, guys, welcome back. Now it's time to do the HT test, okay, guys, the hot throat. Okay, let me evaluate the candles after being solidified for 24 hours. Okay, this one is the one that I made with essential suede and pink pepper. Okay, I have to say, I love the finish, guys. The cold throw is amazing. It is so strong. It's like what they said on the website. You don't need to have any cure time for this one. Now this one is the one with tobacco flower and raw honey. Let's see. The same. Truly, truly, truly magical, guys. That after 24 hours, I had this very strong CT. Okay, let me show you the finish on the candle, guys. It is absolutely spectacular. It is very creamy. There's no. It looks like yummy ice cream. I don't know. Let me see if you. I'm gonna put it on the light to see if you can see the finish. It's very sumptuous, very luxurious. Oh my God, this hot throw is amazing. Again, this is the Dulceria de Oliva. Okay, so you go to the website and you check it out. I highly recommend it, guys, because I'm telling you, it's very. I think this is the first place that I've ever seen that has this kind of wax, you know. So you have to try everything once. Okay, so now, okay, let's see. I'm gonna put this one upstairs, okay, guys, and I'm gonna leave this one in here. Okay, so I can run the hot throw test at the same time. Okay, let me get a lighter. I wanna leave this for at least an hour. So I'm gonna put the gold one upstairs, and I'm gonna leave the black one in here, okay? And hopefully, with this double CDN number 2 weeks, will be enough for the candle. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna move this upstairs, and I'll see you in about an hour. Yes! Okay, guys, welcome back. So this is the look of the candle after an hour, guys, and the HT is amazing. The whole studio smells really, really, really nice. I love the beautiful scent. It's very luxurious, very high-end, guys. And this one is essential suede and pink pepper. Okay, now let's go upstairs and let's see what's going on. Okay, so we're here in my husband's office. Okay, guys, so this is the candle number 2. This is the one with tobacco flower and raw honey. Look at the beautiful melt pool that is forming. It's been almost an hour. But what I love the most, guys, is the beautiful scent. I love this wax, guys. I highly recommend it. This is Cera de Oliva. This is olive oil wax from Dulceria Candle Supply. Okay, so I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. Yes! I am extremely happy, guys, with this beautiful Serafina vessel from Dulceria Candle Supply. Okay, I love the gold one. This one has tobacco flower and raw honey. It's beautiful. And this one has essential suede and pink pepper. Okay, these are two of the new fragrance oils from Dulceria Candle Supply, guys. And again, Cera de Oliva, guys. I want to thank Dulceria Candle Supply for sending me these beautiful products, guys. And again, don't forget to check them out, guys, because they have the cocoa and they have coconut wax and they have also soy wax, okay, for sale there. So I'm gonna put all the details down below on the description box. And guys, if you can, please subscribe to my channel, give a like to the video so we can do better on the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to check out my website, candleromance.shop, so you can purchase some of my beautiful candles. I have a sale going on now for Valentine's Day. The big candles are going to be 50% off, and the smaller candles are going to be 20% off, including the wax melts. Okay, guys, so until the next video, take care of your shoulder, be well, I love you. Yes! Success, success, yes! I'm in love, yes!